Powermatic PM2700 is built around this all-steel base cabinet. The door has a window in it that lets you see what speed range the belt is in without having to open it. Open the door and the belt tension release mechanism is readily available. The spindle lock is above this handle, just out of sight. This door gives plenty of access for getting to the drive belt or anything in the motor compartment. Within the heavy-duty cast iron base are fully retractable casters that are raised and lowered using this cast iron hand wheel. The illuminated green button on the magnetic switch shows you that the machine is connected to power. Push that button to start the machine. The red ring surrounding the on button is the off button. You can push that by hand or bump it with your leg. The yellow disc is a magnetic key that, when removed, disables the switch. You can put this in your pocket or stick it to anything metal in the shop. The PM2700 comes with the 1¼ and 3/4 inch spindles. Each of the spindles comes with a full set of variously sized spacers that let you accommodate virtually any thickness cutter. The spindles are installed using a large drawbar from the bottom that pulls this tapered cone into a tapered seat. The large spindle nut locks the assembly in place. The cutter height is adjusted with this large cast iron hand wheel spinner knob on the front of the cabinet. It has a locking knob at the center like a table saw. The 3-position switch has reverse, off, or forward position. The digital readout can be zeroed at any setting, so you can see exactly what kind of height correction you're making. The other button changes the display from inch to metric. The 30 by 40 inch cast iron top makes it easy to work with the large pieces. And the top has a full-size miter slot that lets you use all your favorite jigs and accessories. The cutter opening can be sized using these 3 cast iron rings. The center 2 have leveling screws so you can be sure they're absolutely flush to the surface. Each of the rear corners of the table have this bolt pattern that's drilled and tapped and accommodates the Powermatic feeders. The Powermatic PM2700 also comes with this fully articulated tool-free fence. Each of the faces has channels in it that makes attaching accessories very easy. Also included is a pair of these fully adjustable feather boards. The mount gives you a lot of options on how you can install these, and they can be reversed. The large clear guard at the center helps keep you safe, but lets you see what's going on at the cutter. A single knob controls each fence face so you can adjust the opening at the cutter. We can move the entire fence assembly forward or back by releasing these locking knobs and turning the gear drive. Put it where you want it and then lock the knobs down. The faces can be adjusted front to back individually using this adjustment. Loosen the locking knob and dial in the amount of change you want. Then snug down the locking knob. Each full turn of that knob produces a 1/16 inch change at the fence face. The Powermatic PM2700 shaper is by far the best made, best equipped shaper I've ever tried. Though certainly not cheap, this will be the last shaper you ever need to buy.